Yeah, son of a bike, folks. So today we are heading for a small town in Germany called Adelepsen, which probably nobody, including myself, has ever heard of. And we will pick up a beautiful modified Honda 650 Transalp from 2005.
Warte mal.
Yeah, we had quite a hard time picking this beauty up. And watch how Chris is relaxing, playing on his iPhone and smoking cigars while his old dad is doing all the hard work. He was a bit scared if I would drop the bike, but since
Ja,
this
gut.
is the last of hundreds of bikes I have put on a trailer, everything went pretty well and we had a quite relaxing drive home. The real fun part started when we tried to crank this baby up at home at my garage. The carburetor will probably need rework before we can give this beauty a nice cold start. So watch the next videos if you want to see how we bring this baby on the road. Please subscribe and like, this helps a lot to make this channel big. So see you in the next one.